Hello and welcome friends to my channel. Today's unboxing is a bit special because today I'm unboxing this, the new Lenovo Tab 7. This is not an ordinary tablet, it's a tablet provided to students in universities of Gujarat. And the interesting part is students get this tablet for just 1000 rupees. Yes, 1000 rupees. All thanks to our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, whose vision made this possible, and of course, support of Shri Vijaybhai Rupani, Chief Minister of Gujarat. So without any further ado, let's get started. So on front side of the box there is a sticker of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. As you can see, Education Department, Government of Gujarat, Namo, Tab, E-Tab. And as you can see here, the price of this tablet is 14,500, but for the students in Gujarat it is available for just 1000 rupees. Let me unbox this first. So here is the actual box. This is how it looks. Lenovo Tab 7 written over here. So on the top, the tablet itself is here, the device. So let me just put it aside and let's see what else are the things. Some certification, some basic user guides from Lenovo, a charger, USB charger, and then USB cable. And it's really interesting and surprising to see that this tab also comes with hands-free, because nowadays no phones come with this, but this tablet comes. That's really interesting. Nothing else in this box. So let's look at the tablet itself. Okay, so this is how the tablet looks. Let me boot it up. Yeah. So as you can see, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi with Chief Minister of Gujarat Vijaybhai Rupani. And it's written Rajya Sarkarni Tablet Yojana, which means state government's tablet policy. Yeah, it is actually taking a bit more time. Powered by Android, and yeah, Lenovo. Okay, so some basic things, let me do that. Get started.